Okay, here's my device. I've got my drill mounted in the frame, and I've got these. The top panel is attached with magnets. I've got some magnets holding on to the top of these pillars at the moment. So there's my little diamond cutting disc. At the moment, it's I've got to put more improvements to it, but it's good. So basically, I've got magnets in the end. Oh, it's hard to see, even with this light, this bright light. Still can't see them because of the light reflection. Right, there's some magnets on the end there. There's another magnet in the bottom there. And I also got a magnet at the other end there, which pushes. So that magnet pushes, that magnet, that end pulls, and that one deflects against that wall. So all I've got to do is get my little magnet. What I'm cutting is this magnet here. This is the one I want to cut. I want to remove 2 millimeters. So there's actually magnets in the end here and at the other side, and these propel this little shuttle along. So once I put it in here, once I put it through this slot like this, and I push it down into the carriage, there we go. Now it's actually being pressed by the magnetic field of these magnets towards the cutting blade. All I've got to do now is turn it on and then let go of my finger. There we go, it's running. And now all I've got to do is let go of this shuttle. It's running. Yeah, and the diamond, hang on, I'll turn it off because you actually can't hear me. And it's running at a slow speed, so it's not going to consume a lot of power, it's not going to generate a lot of heat. The magnet should remain cool. And eventually we'll cut through the magnet because this is a diamond. This is a diamond cutting disc, and because this Alnico is so hard, very hard material, that's why I made this device, so I could basically let it run and not worry about it. As you can see, it's actually already starting to cut through there. Let's have a look. Get some light on it. We can actually see it's starting to cut through the Alnico. And I can pause it, yeah, anytime I want. And start it again. And leave it going. Anyway, there you have it.